Foxterra was born from a passion I had when I was about 9 years old. Growing up with very little, I had to improvise, so my first water feature used a discarded shower curtain as the pond liner. The side yard became my first landscape creation, in many ways my first Foxterra project. Years later, after graduating college, I started a landscape construction company. For more than 15 years, I worked as a licensed contractor building luxury yards and pools. But over time, I began to question whether the design-build approach was truly giving our clients the best results. I noticed that these beautiful houses we were working in were developed with an architect and an interior designer creating this thoughtful, detailed plans, which were then handed to the contractor to build. And it made me wonder, why aren't we applying the same approach to luxury yard design? I thought, what if we assembled a team of landscape architects, award-winning designers, lighting experts, planning experts, material specialists to work together and develop incredible yard designs. And instead of using like mood boards and typical hand sketches, we utilize cutting-edge technology to show clients exactly what their yard would look like before a single shovel even hit the ground. And that's what we did. With an incredible team, we came up with a better way to give our clients an incredible yard. We start our process now by sending a surveyor on the site to get all the property measurements and photos. And then we use that to digitally hand draw a 3D replica of the house, the yard, the surrounding environment. Using that digital model as a starting point, there's now so many things we get to do that we couldn't do by just doing a site visit. We get to see where the sun will be at in June, say at 2 p.m., and where it'll be at 2 p.m. in December. With geotagging, it's this new technology that allows you to do that. We can visualize exactly the space and how it will look like at night, where the lights are needed. We can see the view from all the rooms in the house. In our design kickoff, which is like our virtual site visit, our first meeting with the client, we get to show our clients different options in real time to show what it feels right before starting our detailed design process. Examples are like, where is the best place for the pool? Or what style of trees feel right? Or what does it even look like when plants mature for privacy? All this stuff we are doing on that first design meeting, which are things you can't do with a typical site visit. After that meeting with the client, we start developing the design. With the software, we can superimpose actual materials into the 3D rendering so clients see how it will look like completed, not the typical small little sample that's laying on the floor next to their house. We can showcase lighting features in action, making real-time adjustments to the design based on a client's feedback. And I have to say, having done both from site walks and hand sketches to now for the last 5 years using our new digital approach, our designs are just turning out so much better and our clients are so much happier. Once the design is approved, our drafting department creates a detailed plan so the contractor has what they need to bring these designs to life. With a network of over 50 contractors across the US, some of the best pool and landscape contractors are building out these beautiful yards for our clients. Our clients, when working with us, get assigned one senior designer and a project coordinator throughout their entire project. And behind the scenes, there's an additional team of 4 to 6 experts that end up working on their plan as well over the span of a couple months to make sure their yard reaches its maximum potential. This team approach is how our clients get the incredible yard designs from us. As a team, we're always thinking, how do we optimize our client's budget so that it looks incredible without being wasteful? I also believe that a great design actually saves our clients money too, because all the thought that goes into each design allows for cost-effective features to come to life that have big visual impact because how they're designed into the project. So to sum up about us, Foxterra is on a mission to make sure our clients do not settle for a yard that they just like. They let us help them create a yard that they absolutely love.